Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be going over how I had my hair go from completely like a bald spot on top of my head to grown back in just a month. And I am not clickbaiting you or anything. I have photo evidence of it that I will be showing in the video. I'm also going to talk about why I had it happen to me. If you're a mom, you most likely know it happens to most moms after they give birth. I want to show how I was able to get mine back really fast. So if you want to see that, I'm also going to talk about the products that I used in this video. So if that interests you, please continue. And if you are new here, my name is Cece. I am a 21-year-old mother of two. I live in an RV with my husband, who is in the military, and my two babies. We traveled across country, found out RV living is the easiest way for us to travel from base to base, and also it saves us massively in expenses. So if that's something that interests you, because I'm going to be going over a lot in this channel, finances, military life, being a young mother, all that good stuff. If that interests you, then please hit that subscribe button and bell notification so you can get any videos that I do. You can follow me on my journey with my husband. Alright, now let's get into that video. Alright guys, so what you've been wanting to see is those photos of evidence. No, I'm not lying to you. So I'm going to pop one up right here. This photo was taken November 23rd, if I'm correct, of 2022. So I will put the date in just so I'm not wrong. But anyways, that photo was me about a month after I gave birth. I gave birth October, and so that photo is about a month after I gave birth, and all the hair I lost on top of my head. And then I'm going to put another photo over here. And this photo was taken in December, and you can see that my hair is completely grown back and that I don't have any like problems anymore with like big patch of hair missing. I'm going to put a couple more photos up of me with my hair grown back. Alright, so after you saw those photos, hopefully you're convinced that I was able to accomplish this feat. I just wanted to talk a little bit about why I lost my hair in the first place. It is postpartum, after giving birth. Mothers go through a massive hormone estrogen fall, like levels are falling, and we lose our hair. So your hair just falls out. And I know for me as a mother, after I gave birth to my first child, I didn't know that this was a thing. And I kind of was like internally freaking out because I really do love my hair. It's something that I take a lot of pride in, and so to see it falling out like in clumps in the shower, getting it brushed out, it was almost traumatizing. Not saying it was traumatizing, but it was just stressful. It was just like, why is this happening to me? Found out that it was postpartum, just something that happens to a lot of mothers. My second son, which is where all those photos came from, second pregnancy, it was tenfold. I lost more hair and I was just more devastated. It's not a great feeling at all. So that's why you have postpartum hair loss. That's how I felt about my postpartum hair loss. Absolutely sucked. And then I do have some quotes that I'll be putting in the description if you guys want to look at those. I'm also going to put the article they came from, just so you know I'm not lying to you about anything that I'm saying. I got some quotes and evidence here. But postpartum isn't a long-term hair loss issue. It happens probably from the 3 months to the 6-month mark after having a baby. And you usually start growing your hair back, and when you hit a year after having your child, your hair should be grown back in full like it normally was. It might not be the same length exactly because it does take a long time to grow hair in general. If you're not doing any of the things that will specifically put nutrients into the hair strands, then your hair is probably going to grow like on average. Whereas if you take these products that I'm going to talk to you about, put that into your routine, your diet, you are going to see your hair grow faster, and by that year mark your hair should be almost same length. I am a year out from postpartum, and my hair, where I lost it, is almost back to the same length. It's like about here. So that is my hair growth in a year after implementing these ingredients that I have. So if you guys want to see those, let's get into it. Alright, so I have the products that I used right here. I'm going to talk about them. I might split in them a little bit closer to the camera so you can actually see them, but hopefully I can hold them up close enough. So I'm going to start out with my favorite shampoo and conditioner that I use. It is this one, and not my face. So, reason I love this shampoo and conditioner the most is because of the ingredients. Most of the time you go to the store, you're going to look at the back of the bottles of any shampoo company that's really big, and it's going to say water is the first ingredient, which kind of sucks. You're just paying for the biggest ingredient to be water, because the first ingredient that shows up on the label is the biggest one. So this one shows up as aloe leaf juice. Let's see if I can get it close enough. Aloe leaf juice right there, and then water is second. So that's why I love this product. I actually feel like it is helping putting nutrients into my hair. Also does great cleaning it. I really feel clean after I use it, so I love this product. As a disclaimer, these are not paid promotions or anything. I'm not getting paid for this. This is literally just products that I love. I'm not that fancy yet. I'm not that cool yet, so yeah, these are not paid. The second one that you actually put on your hair that I love is going to be this guy. Rosemary oil is so good for your hair where there's damaged tissues. It helps get your hair to grow back, and it really is nutritious for your scalp and your hair growth. And if you have a husband who has hair loss, this is also good for him too, because it just kind of, yeah, it helps with your scalp and getting things to grow again. I like this product the most out of all the other ones I've tried, so love that one. All these other products after this are just things that you take into your diet. You take vitamins. I'm going to be showing you all the vitamins that are said to really help you, and I just want to remind you guys that there's going to be quotes from actual doctors and clinics in the bottom if you don't believe me. I'm going to start with zinc. Zinc contributes to your scalp, root, follicle, and shaft health. Zinc is a really good one for those areas, as also are these other ones that I'm going to be talking about. Vitamin E, also the same as zinc. These kind of all are the same, so I'm just going to go through them. Alright, so those are really helpful to get you started in a rich vitamin mineral diet that's going to help your hair growth exceed. And those are just like a couple of the products that you can get. You can get really overboard, and as long as it's all healthy stuff, there's nothing like crazy in the ingredients. You like really need to read your ingredients, but that should all help you with your hair growth. It's what helped me with my hair growth. And if you're a hair girly like I am absolutely thankful that I found these products to help my hair come back to life after it died. So yes, that is my spiel to you guys. That's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to me. And if you guys want to see me do a hair care routine, what I do with my hair throughout a day, and actually like video me washing my hair and everything, then leave a comment down below so I know that you guys want to watch that. If you guys have any other videos that you would like to see from me, RV tour, talking about my military spouse learnings, just leave them in a comment and I will get to those. I would love to talk about anything like that. And you guys have a blessed, wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching this video.